What about the top of Yangcheon that we're about to come to? Yeah. I think I'm gonna drop.
Drop it with you.
And just go kind of for the buildings out, the orange and blue ones out to the upper left. We got peeps. I don't see anybody close to us. I think we're pretty good for this whole area. Nice. Nobody came to this little town. We got all these buildings. What do we got here? What do we got here? I'm in like a movie theater. This is kind of cool.
Got a frying pan.
Oh, I got a DMR. Thank you. You don't find one elsewhere. Ooh, there's a vector in here. I'll take that. There's another level 2 vest if you haven't found one yet.
I got a level 1. So if you don't mind marking that,
It's on the roof of the building right above me right now. I just marked it. There's also a level 2 backpack right under it where I'm at. Shotgun! I need more 5.56 ammo if you happen to. Okay, we got 2.5 minutes to move, so I say this can. So we work in. Is there a car? I don't think. We looted this place pretty good. I don't remember seeing a car. Ooh. This might be a car right over here. How do you put your weapons away on mouse and keyboard? That's a very interesting question.
just never do. Always have them out. I would say probably if you switch to like your pistol or. Then again, no, there should be a.
Why isn't this car going? Am I an idiot?
Oh, my dumbass has my little hints on the right side of my screen. It's X.
Bruh, am I stupid? How are you supposed to go in a car? It's W, right? It's just like walk.
Click your trigger just in case.
Oh. Yeah, no, I'm an idiot. I got in the back seat.
Wow.
How do I get out? F. That was hilarious.
Good job.
Drive. Okay, yeah, that was, yep. Don't mind me. We'll just beeline it. Oh shit, we can't beeline it. Oh no. We're gonna have to bridge
Let
it.
me out of that car over there.
We had 2 cars. Look at us. We've never had this luck before.
Little area, and this is not going to be very inhabitable because it's farmland. There's not buildings, there's not shit to loot or stuff to hold up into, so it's a good way to kind of go across. At least I would think so, but you know, I've been wrong a lot.
There's a little bit of shots to our right somewhere. There's a scarecrow to our left that just tripped me out.
It's like, tree, bush, squirrel.
We have another car.
Oh shit.
If it was a motorcycle, he would have died running into us. That would have been hilarious.
He's tailing us.
Get him! Get him!
Well, he's disappeared now. He's fucked off. But
Oh, there's a bike.
there's bike.
What if you took the bike and
The
just
bikes
drove
are like
alongside
this,
me?
I would. Turn around.
Never thought of doing that before. That'd be kind of... Oop! What are we still tailing? Oh, that's distant. What if they're shooting at him? It was like right over this hill. It was like right here.
Don't run it over now. Alright, how do I go? Oh, never mind.
Be on the right seat, that's the trick. Now watch you like suddenly have to stop for no reason and not tell me and I run you over.
We're in dead center right now, just so you know.
Oh good. Wherever you want to go.
We're gonna go to the left. Ah! We're gonna go tree! We're gonna go to the left. Fuck this noise. Oh man, I looked at my map.
you went directly.
Yep. Can I just... Oh, that's the wrong button! I don't want that! Ah!
Maybe this wasn't the best idea.
This is the best idea.
I think you're right though, it's gonna land maybe close to us. It might land on the upper side of that area you were just talking about.
Speaking of which, thanks for reminding me.
Yeah, just like I said, it's going to be just above the area you were pointing to. The circle, so
yeah,
we
got
could...
people to our west, northwest, so let's be very cautious.
I say we move down closer to that city area while we can.
Well, I'm going to camp behind this tree for a second, drink an energy drink. Okay. I am fucking speed now.
Yeah, they're eliminating each other. I wonder how many are over there.
I want to say I get a lot. I just went full. Oh, fuck.
Yep, I heard it. I don't know where it's from. I'm trying to get behind this tree over here.
Oh, he's right up here by this tree.
I'm getting behind this tree.
He's coming up on the right.
I see him. I hit him, but he knocked me down.
There's one behind this tree.
He knocked me with a headshot, but I hit him.
Damn, I just got killed from somewhere else with a headshot.
Damn.
Oh, well, I mean, that was good on them.
7th place. Well, I can land on this pair of houses to my right here, and I'll probably make my way to that city up there unless the circle's gonna put it out. I finally found a shotgun. I'm actually going to start heading inward because that circle's going to be here in a second.
Yeah, I may be fucked.
I told you.
I want that car though.
I'm just about to enter it. There's a gas station that's just inside. Ah, it's going to hit me a little bit, but only for like 30 feet. Look at all these little markets. There's got to be something in here. Yeah, shotgun ammo. Okay, how far is that circle? Yeah, we'll be fine, especially with the car. We can loot here for a minute. I think I see another...
Okay, now I'm stuck looking at my canted sight.
I think I... There's another stun grenade right over here.
5 seconds till the play area is restricted.
Oh,
go back
shit!
to the car. Might be this option.
Where's the car?
Nah, it's fucked. It's back that way.
Well, we'd be better off going for the car. What are you doing? We got such a long ways to go. Where's the car?
It's straight ahead of you.
I see it.
To your left.
It's worth it, man. We're not gonna make it on foot. We have to go back for this car right now.
You grab it, you pick me up. I'm just walking right down the road. I drank a couple energy drinks sometime.
I'm coming.
Three, two. About time my Uber got here. Let's go.
Yeah, we're almost out of this city, or this little town, and then we'll be able to beeline it.
Yeah, I suggest we go to our left.
Give me 1 sec.
Good.
Okay. Oop, oop, oop. That was on the right.
Farmland.
Yeah.
Oh, skirt.
We're fine.
No. Oh my god. Alright, fence. Fuck off.
It's all gonna end in this upcoming town here. The circle's already gonna be really small here, so might as well just find a place to stock up.
I see someone all the way up there.
Damn, 270 meters. It's gonna be on us.
Good, buddy.
Might even have to move back to the building we just came from.
It's like, oh, he sucks, but I hit you. I hit you twice. Fuck, you bitch. I shot him in the dick. They're like, how the fuck is this guy hitting me? I'm like, dude, I don't even know.
We honestly might have to move back into the big building where we just came from if you want to move now, where we.
That's where they are.
Oh, okay.
So we might as well get to a better spot for show. Yeah, let's just head. Ooh. Further in over here. See if we can't get up to an upper level. Which there is some stairs right here. But, oh fuck! Watch out.
They went around. Go,
Right.
go, go.
Fuck it. Let's go up to the stairs. Upstairs. We're gonna have to go through the circle for a second.
Yeah.
It's alright. Alright, we're in it right now. We're in it.
Just ahead. Knocked one. Hurt the other. Knocked two. Third one's on the stairs.
Fuck! He was almost on top.
I gotta reload.
Oh, he's coming up the stairs.
Knocked.
Jesus Christ, nice. Alright.
I don't know where the rest of them are, but I'm killing all of them.
Come grab me.
I'm killing them. Oh, the last one was up top. There was one more up top. He killed me. I should have got you. That was gnarly though.
Nah, you're good.
I just killed.
It's cool,
I just killed 3 of them. Well, I knocked 3 of them. I finished off 2. I was going up to finish the last guy, and the other guy was up top reviving him. Damn, that was gnarly. That shotgun, it's so good.
I helped Sam.
It's so good. It still just looks like it's the 2 of us. Do we have more people on our team? I clicked the fill thing.
Did you?
Yeah. Maybe it was just like, nah, you bitches get to do this solo. There's no shotgun here, and this is ridiculous. Oh, here's shotgun rounds. Okay, an SK-12, I'll take that. Okay, where the hell are these guys? Maybe I was just hearing you.
It's possible.
Oh, there they are. Just on the other side of the main building we were first in. They know where I'm at. I almost knocked one. I knocked one.
Knocked the other.
Okay, I'm med kitting.
I need more shotgun ammo. I found myself a semi-automatic one.
Oop, nope. I think it was a head. Oh, he was on the right. Yeah, just ahead. Almost got my med kit off. On the left. Just around the wall. He's looking at me. He's wide left. He's in the open. He's getting shot by someone else.
I got him.
Nice, nice.
Nice. I have no more shotgun ammo.
I got 8 rounds myself. I need more. Oh, I found one finally. Jesus.
Okay, it's still pretty loud. Oh, I saw a parachute though, that way.
That's only 50 meters.
Yeah, it was on the top of that hill.
Let's do it! I don't care! Watch it be like a gnarly legendary sniper or some shit.
I don't think it was a care package. It looked like a legit parachute.
Oh, well, who the hell would be parachuting?
Yeah, that's just the weird thing.
Well, I don't care. I'm still
Unless-
investigating.
Yeah.
Unless Taylor's just tripping.
Might be, but it looked like a legit parachute coming down up there.
There's a man on the hill, southeast direct. You were totally right. That was an actual man. He just hit my pan. He just hit me in the back. I marked him almost directly. He was southeast.
Yeah, I saw him. I don't see him anymore
I'm
though.
looking for him.
Like somewhere over there.
Yeah, I don't know where he went, but yeah, he was open on the hill, like near the rocks, but he was in the open when he was taking shots at me. He was like trying to run down the hill. The circle's gonna push him to us in a minute. He might be trying to circle the hill up on the left. Watch our left. I don't see anything on the right. I guarantee you he's going uphill and around.
It's possible.
I mean, he's gonna be in the hill over here. He could have just like completely retreated. I don't see him running.
Say if anything, let's just run into this.
Maybe we should
This
while
is
we
a
have
great
time,
ravine.
because they're fighting while they're distracted. So it's actually gonna close in the middle of the road with that one little city, that one little village of houses down there. We could go to that village of houses. It's gonna be dead center. Oh shit!
Oh,
Where is that? Was that behind?
it's on R6. Yep,
Okay.
it's on R6.
We have a little ravine here.
I'm almost dead. I need to fucking heal so bad. Oh, he's on his way. I'm healing. He missed me by a fucking millimeter. Dude, fuck you. I shot you with my shotgun. He's up on more to the left. Watch out. Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him with the shotgun.
Alright. Literally, I pointed my shotgun at him, shot. I'm dead.
I got him with the shotgun once, but it was
Good
more of a
job.
gray shot, and then I went behind the... Yeah, he's completely
Damn,
dead.
he got me with a headshot. I need a new helmet.
His helmet's fine, he had a level 2. There's shots on our far left, obviously. They're probably being pushed in by the ring right now, so be careful. Just use the cover of these bushes and shit.
Yeah, car, 12 o'clock.
Yeah, there was another one too a second ago. Everyone's going to the right. If we can just make it to one of those buildings ahead. We can stay in camp. I'll camp inside one with my shotgun pointed at a door again. That's honestly our best bet. Ooh boy. Someone's definitely shooting up here. Yeah, he's definitely up here. I'm just trying to make it in this edge building right here. Shit! I don't know where I think he was behind me.
Oh, he's on the roof.
Oh yeah, he's on the roof dead ahead of me right there. He finished me.
Oh, fuck. I got people shooting at me from behind now. I was looking at the people shooting at you, now I'm getting shot from behind. I'm gonna die.
Oh boy.
Nope, I'm dead.
You're fine, you got the first aid kit off.
Skirt!
No!
Oh.
Just keep going, keep going. You got that little bit of cover. Just keep going to that fence line. You got that shotgun. Just make it inside one of those buildings and stay in a corner. Just use bandages. You don't need to heal that much. You got a couple bandages in front of you too.
Shit if he can make it to me, but it's probably too late.
No, I mean he finished me. I'm dead.
Damn.
Yeah, it's all you. Oh, dude, there's a pump shotgun right in front of you. That might be a better bet. Yeah, that thing does like 1,000 damage.
There's someone like right next to me.
It's down to only 10, like I said. Okay, down to 7 all of a sudden. 3 just got knocked in. Dude, I'm telling you, you're in the best spot in the circle right now. You really are. Just stay right there. Down to 6. Everybody's gonna be playing it safe. Okay, don't move in yet, but be thinking about your route to move in and kind of slowly work your way around the wide route somewhere, because they're going to be worried about where each other are, so you should worry about just making it in the next circle. There's one to your left for sure in that building you were just looking at. You're gonna have to move to your left, so go in the doorway to your right. There's got to be a wide route to go around that building you're looking at now. Go like wide around that one and lap around before the circle closes.
Sure.
Circle's got like 10 seconds.
I don't know if I want to go out there. I'm scared.
Just go around that, as long as no one's in the building to your left there, which that's going to be out of the circle soon. So yeah, just do what you're doing. No, stay on the outside. Stay on the outside of it, because you want to go around. You don't want to stay in this room. You're going to be out of the circle. Go on the outside, where you came from.
Or I'll just get shot through the
Yeah, I was trying to get you to go around that entire complex and circle back to where the ring was, so you stayed out of everybody's viewpoint.
Should I actually have stayed in the building where we're at and just beelined it back to the center, the other doorway?
I figured that way you would have gone like across the street, there wouldn't have been any cover, and you would have just got beamed. But still 4th place, just by waiting it out. And we did take that one guy down.
Oh yeah.
It was fun though.
Sure.
Definitely got some gnarly fights.
Was pretty good indeed.